Hello everyone, welcome to Southern Wreath. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and be sure to give me a thumbs up. I am going to make this Easter bunny wreath.
Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to try to make a wreath using the Easter bunny shaped frame from Dollar Tree. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we'll see. Everything here is from Dollar Tree except for the glue sticks and the pipe cleaners. I got these yellow flowers. I was going to originally put them on a grapevine wreath, but I thought it might be cute to use them for the face and then use these white ones for the ears. So I'm going to start by adding pipe cleaner zigzag across here. I'm not 100% sure what to do with the top yet.
I decided to use these brown pipe cleaners. I just thought they went better with the wreath than the black ones I have. I'm just attaching the end of one to a crossbar and I'm wrapping it around in like a zigzag motion. And then I'm going to add my next pipe cleaner. I'm just twisting either end so they kind of lock together. And then I'll just keep twisting. And I'll do this going all the way around. I try to space them as evenly as possible. They don't have to be perfect. They're going to be covered up with flowers. But here you can see I just kind of twist it together and then take the two ends and twist those around the opposite pipe cleaner. And it kind of locks them in place. And you could just wrap it with ribbon or anything you want to wrap it with. This is just easier for me to do. You just need something for the hot glue to hold on to. I find that it doesn't always hold on well to the frame.
Alright, now that I've finished the bottom part, I'm going to go through and cut my yellow flowers. And I'm going to cut them pretty short. I don't know if I want to leave the leaves on or not, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave them on for now. But I just need to get an idea of how big to make these. So technically, I don't even need that. So I don't have to cut them, I'm just going to pull them off. It makes life a lot easier. And I can just pull them off as I go, so I don't have to worry about pulling all of them off if I don't need them all. So I still don't know about with the white flowers yet. I'm thinking I might add those first just to see like where I'm going to put them, because then I could cover that up with the yellow flowers. So I'm going to work on that for a second. Well, that's cute. Well, then that's what I'm going to do. I just got to figure out the stems. Maybe I can wrap them around. So what I've decided to do is twist it onto the frame, the bunny rabbit ear, and that way the center's clear. So I'm going to attempt to do that now. You're going to see me struggle with this a little bit. I shouldn't have left the stems on and wrapped them around. I made another wreath after this, exactly the same as this one, except I pulled the flowers off of the stems and just glued them directly to the metal frame. I did slightly overlap each flower as I went so that they would have something else to stick to besides the frame. I don't really trust sticking things just to the frame, but that's how I did the ears. That's so much easier than what I'm doing right now. I think for the second ear, I'm going to flop it. I'm going to make like a floppy ear, like that. I'm not sure how that's going to work with the flowers, though. I think it'll be okay. So I'm going to glue these on now. I'm just going to quickly speed through this part. I debated on leaving it in and taking it out, but I just wanted to show you how I did it. And remind you again to just take it off of the stem. It's so much easier. Now I'm going to add the yellow flowers. For these, I think I'm just going to add glue to the back and then just put them on there. And then I'll have to just clean up my mat when I'm done. Which is nice, it peels right off. Sorry, something happened with my video clip and I could only get one small portion of it. But I just went through and added my flowers. Some of them I had to add to a section. Some of them I just did one. If y'all have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you can email me at craftingwithlee@yahoo.com. Thanks so much for watching, and if y'all like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.